Today's cars are packed with technology. But surprisingly, many drivers are still missing some simple tools that can dramatically improve safety. Think about it. A blind spot you didn't see. A moment when you look down at your phone for directions. Or an accident where you have no proof of what really happened. Small situations like these happen every day on the road. That's why today we're looking at 5 smart car safety gadgets every driver should have. These devices can help you drive safer, see more, and stay protected in unexpected situations. Let's start with the first gadget. One of the most important safety tools for modern drivers is a reliable dashcam. Accidents can happen in seconds. And when they do, it often becomes your word against someone else's. Without clear proof, dealing with insurance can quickly turn stressful. That's where the Nextbase IQ Smart Dashcam comes in. This smart camera records your drive in sharp 1440p HD, capturing details like license plates and road signs clearly. It also features 4G connectivity, which means you can open the Nextbase IQ app and check your car's camera feed from anywhere in the world. The biggest advantage is simple. If something happens on the road, you always have clear video evidence to protect yourself. And here's the impressive part. The dashcam also includes an emergency SOS feature that can automatically alert emergency responders and share your location if a serious crash occurs. Now, while recording the road is important, keeping your eyes on the road is even more critical. Many drivers rely on their phones for navigation. But looking down at your phone while driving can be dangerous. Even a quick glance away from the road can lead to a missed turn or something much worse. That's exactly the problem the HUDWAY Drive Head-Up display solves. Instead of forcing you to look down, this gadget projects important driving information directly in front of your windshield. It creates a floating display that shows speed, navigation directions, and trip information right in your line of sight. The device connects to your phone through Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, allowing you to mirror apps like Google Maps or Waze onto the display. So instead of checking your phone, the information stays exactly where it should be, in front of your eyes. And here's the cool feature. Using a wireless OBD2 connection, it can also show real-time car data like RPM, fuel level, and engine temperature. But navigation isn't the only reason drivers constantly reach for their phones. Changing lanes on a busy highway can be stressful. A car might be sitting quietly in your blind spot without you noticing it. And one quick lane change could lead to a serious accident. The Brandmotion radar blind spot detection system is designed to prevent exactly that. This system uses high-frequency radar sensors mounted at the rear of your vehicle to constantly monitor the lanes beside you. If another car enters your blind spot, a warning light appears near the windshield. And if you activate your turn signal while a vehicle is still there, the system immediately gives you an audible alert. So instead of guessing, you get instant confirmation that it's safe to change lanes. And there's an extra safety feature too. The system also includes rear cross-traffic detection, helping you spot vehicles approaching from the sides when backing out of a parking space. Calls, music, messages, and notifications can quickly turn your phone into a major distraction while driving. That's where the Carpuride W903 smart car display makes a big difference. This 9.3-inch HD touchscreen mounts directly on your dashboard and connects wirelessly with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Once connected, you can access navigation, music, phone calls, and messages through one clean and easy-to-use interface. Instead of touching your phone, you can simply use voice commands with Siri or Google Assistant. The result is a much safer and more convenient driving experience. And here's a feature many drivers love. The system also supports a 4K dual dash cam setup with a wide 178-degree viewing angle. You can even rotate the camera to record inside the car. Perfect for families who want to keep an eye on kids in the back seat. Now, even with smart displays and cameras, there's still another challenge every driver faces. Blind spots. No matter how careful you are, mirrors can only show so much. Sometimes another vehicle sits exactly where you can't see it. The WOLFBOX G840S mirror dashcam helps solve this problem. It replaces your traditional rearview mirror with a large 12-inch smart display that shows live video from front and rear cameras. The front camera records in crystal clear 4K, while the rear camera captures 1080p video, giving you a much wider view of your surroundings. You can even use split screen mode to monitor both cameras at the same time. The biggest benefit is simple. You get better visibility and fewer blind spots while driving or reversing. And here's another impressive feature. With advanced night vision and a 24-hour parking monitor, the camera can continue protecting your car even when you're not around. But sometimes the most dangerous vehicles are the ones you can't see at all. Ever had kids fighting, crying, or kicking your seat during a long drive? Yeah, that distraction is more dangerous than most drivers realize. But here's the problem. You hand them a tablet, and suddenly they're looking down the whole time. Neck pain, dropped devices, even more chaos. And this is where it gets interesting. This simple headrest mount completely changes that situation. The Lamicall car headrest tablet holder turns your backseat into a mini entertainment system. You clip it onto the headrest in seconds. No tools, no hassle. Then comes the magic. The biaxial extension arm lets you pull the screen closer or push it back. Twist it, adjust it, share it between two kids. Now they're not fighting, they're watching together. And the 360 degrees rotation means they always get the perfect angle. No more looking down, no more neck strain. But here's the real benefit. You stay focused on the road. Because when the back seat is quiet, your driving becomes safer instantly. And the surprising part? The metal build keeps everything rock solid even on bumpy roads. No shaking, no falling, no distractions. But this is just one way to make your car safer, and things get even more interesting from here. As you can see, small gadgets can make a big difference in driving safety. From dash cams that capture evidence, to smart displays that reduce distractions, to radar systems that watch your blind spots. Each of these tools adds another layer of protection every time you get behind the wheel. Now we'd love to hear from you. Which of these gadgets would you install in your car first? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoy discovering smart car gadgets and useful driving technology, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss our next video.
We're a team passionate about discovering the smartest and most useful car gadgets. Our mission is simple: help you drive safer, smarter, and better every day.